Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate percentages in Power BI, both as a percent of the overall total and as a percent of a parent like a category. These tricks are super useful for reporting, and by the end of this video you'll be able to show at a glance not only what your sales figures are, but how each item contributes to the bigger picture. So let's jump right into it. First, let's calculate the percentage of all sales for each item, which is an essential way to see how much each product, subcategory, or region is pulling its weight compared to the grand total. To do this, we're going to create a measure. Right-click your table over in the Data pane. This is where all your data tables are listed out, and then just click New Measure. Now you'll want to write up a formula that calculates the percentage of total sales. Don't worry, you won't have to come up with it yourself. The exact formula will be in the video description below. This measure will dynamically compute the percent for any row or slice you show in your reports, so it stays accurate even as you filter or drill down into your data. It's a big upgrade from static calculations. Now let's take it a layer deeper. Imagine you have categories like electronics and then subcategories like TVs or laptops. What if you want to see, for example, how much laptops contribute to electronics overall? That's often called the percent of parent, and it's incredibly handy for understanding share within a bigger group. To set this up again, right-click your table in the Data pane and choose New Measure. This measure will be slightly different. The formula will show each subcategory's sales as a percentage of its category's sales. Again, the formula will be right down below in the video description, so you can just copy and paste it. This step is crucial because it lets you answer more nuanced questions, like out of everything in a department, what's actually leading or lagging. No more guesswork, just answers. Alright, with the calculations done, let's see them in action. This is where the visual storytelling happens. Head over to the report view and set up a matrix visual. If you haven't used the matrix before, think of it like a pivot table in Excel. It lets you nest data and really drill into the details. Drag category to the rows area and then nest subcategory just below it so you'll get that nice expandable hierarchy. Over in the values area, add your raw sales column and then add both new measures, percent of total sales and percent of category sales. Don't worry if you don't see the percentages right away. It's normal. Power BI shows them as decimal numbers by default. Here, how we fix that: switch over to the data view, click on your percentage measure, go to the column tools tab up top and select the percentage icon. Instantly, you'll see your numbers snap into percent format, making them much more readable. Head back to your matrix, expand the categories, and now you can easily compare sales amounts, their share of the total, and their slice within each parent category, all in one place. This final step really brings your data story to life, letting others quickly grasp the key insights. And that's it. Calculating and visualizing percentages in Power BI is all about turning raw numbers into meaningful context. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about DAX measures or Power BI visuals, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you want more Power BI tips, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.